Welcome to our tutorial on implementing lazy loaded feature modules in Angular. In this first step, we're creating a new feature module using the Angular CLI. The command you see on the screen will generate a module named feature module. The root option is specifying that we want a root named feature, and by including module app module, we're telling the CLI to register this lazy loaded root within the application's main routing configuration. Now, let's understand what the Angular CLI did for us behind the scenes. The CLI has updated the app routing module TS by adding a new root for feature. This root doesn't have a component tied to it directly. Instead, it has a load children callback that's responsible for loading the feature module asynchronously when the user navigates to the feature URL. In our feature module, we have a feature module routing module. Here, we've defined a root configuration array with one root object. The path is set to an empty string because the root to this module is already specified in the app's main routing module. The load children function uses a dynamic import which returns a promise. This promise resolves to the module, and Angular will then take care of loading and compiling the module and its components when the root is visited. Lastly, let's take a detailed look at our feature module. This is a standard Angular module, decorated with @ng module. In declarations, you would list any components, pipes, and directives that belong exclusively to this module. The imports array includes the common module, which provides common directives like ngif and ngfor. We also import feature module routing module to hook in the lazy loaded routing configuration we defined earlier. With these in place, our feature module is now set up for lazy loading.